Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to implement AI tools to help make your design process faster. This is every UI and UX designer's dream come true. Let's get started. I'm starting off with ChatGPT, a chatbot used for interacting in a conversational way. It is a very popular AI tool. So I asked ChatGPT to write a case study for designing an app that lets secondary school students teach their colleagues math and give the app a name, color styles, and typefaces. It came up with a name called Math Mentor, along with other results like the color styles with the X codes, the typography, and other elements. For the design of the app, I'll be starting with Visly, an AI-powered tool that lets us create high-fidelity and low-fidelity designs. I'll be using a blank mobile app and the colors suggested by ChatGPT for the style guide. Visly would generate the theme based on these colors, and it's done. I can also edit the colors to match the exact ones I want. So let's just do that. Okay. I'll also be using the typography recommended by ChatGPT, Open Sans, and Robusta Slab. I'll edit the size, spacing, and border radius here. All done. Let's start designing. ChatGPT also provided the screens that should be present on this mobile app for learning math. And for design inspiration, I'll be using Mobin, which is a digital library that contains screenshots of app screens used in different industries like education, movies, music industries, etc. So for today's app design, we'll be using Quizlet. Quizlet is an educational app, and I can just copy or download the screenshots I want. For this design, we will be starting with low fidelity. I'll then upload the screenshots I downloaded to Visly. Visly has a cool feature here that lets you convert screenshots to either high or low fidelity designs depending on what design mode you choose. It will take a few seconds to generate. Just a few more seconds. Now it's complete. So I can edit, upload more screenshots, and convert them. This really just saves so much time. Visly can also convert the low fidelity designs to high fidelity. Next, I'll copy the low fidelity designs to Figma. I'll be using Figma to create the high fidelity designs. So here I have already set up my color styles, typography, and created a logo for the math app myself. However, you can use DALL-E 2, an AI tool that generates images from written text descriptions. It can help create logos for you as well. First, we'll start with the splash screen and then place our logo just like Quizlet's splash screen. I can then change the color of the screen to blue, which is our primary color, and scale the logo to make it bigger. Then I'll also change the color of the logo to a secondary color, white. We could also create a different variation of the splash screen. So let's use a different size of the logo. We'll make it smaller than the previous one. And then drag the text Math Mentor using the alternate. Need the Alt key, then change the color of the logo to white. So which variation do you prefer? I'll go with the splash screen that matches Quizlet's. Next, let's create the onboarding screen. I'll drag a copy of the logo here, still using the Alt key. I'm using grids here, 4 counts of columns, 16 for the margin, type is stretch and gutter is 20. So let's center the logo. And use Illustrator Kits and image plugin to get relevant images. So I'll just copy this image of someone teaching. Remember that the app allows students teach other students, so this image matches someone teaching. So let's go ahead and reduce the image size to our screen and then center it. Next, I write the contents from the low fidelity designs for the onboarding screen. Centralize it. Then I'll change the font style, change the size, and then the color. Then let's add that to the screen and adjust the spacing. Okay, looks good. We need to include the buttons. So let's add the text sign up for free, add auto layouts, and then a blue fill. Also, let's include a border radius of 6. Let's make the sign up button nearly fill up the screen and increase the padding to 16. Padding is the spacing around the text. Looks great. Actually looks a lot better. Okay, next we add the text or login for users with existing accounts. Okay, so I did all of this off camera to speed things up. I removed the logo at the top of the onboarding screen and added a few more screens. So you have the sign up, welcome screen, and the home screen. And once you click on the X on the first welcome screen, the next screen you'll see would be the home screen. So the other welcome screen should have been the home screen. I've also made a few alterations that don't exactly match the low fidelity designs. So this is what it looks like now. And so just a quick run through. We generated a case study from ChatGPT. We used Visly to generate low fidelity designs from the screenshots that we took from Melbourne in the educational app section. And then we completed the high fidelity design on Figma. That's it. We were able to design a mobile app in less than 1 hour using AI tools. Amazing, yes? Absolutely.